Good morning everyone! Good morning! Nandito pa po tayo ngayon sa higaan. Iba na yung ating background. Nasa ano tayo? Nasa loob ng tent. Diyos ko po. Hindi na ako nakapag-upload kahapon. Hindi ako nakapag-edit. Kaya malaki ang tatrabahuin ko ngayon sa aking pag-upload. Marami akong video na i-edit. Kasi busy sa pagpapaki ng mga dadalhin namin. Tapos kahapon pagdating namin dito, anong oras na kami nakadating? Siguro mga 3 or 4, mga ganyan, 4 or I don't know. Anong oras? Umalis kami sa mga 4 o'clock kasi umalis kami doon sa amin mga 12 o'clock. Ang target namin noon 11 o'clock. So, dahil inayos ko pa yung aking mga pananim, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig, nilagay ko siya sa planggana, tapos nilagyan ko ng tubig para hindi mauhaw. So, kaya natagalan ako, tapos chinek pa lahat ng mga lahat yung bintana, yung mga kung nakasarado, yan. Kaya instead na alas 11, alas 12 na kami nakaalis. Tapos instead na 2 hours ang dapat ang biyahe papunta dito, mabot ng 4 hours dahil sa traffic. Merong mga traffic, hindi na iiwasan yung traffic kasi Friday nga. Siguro yung iba pauwi, ganyan Friday. Tapos basta marami kaming traffic na nadaanan. Tapos pagdating dito, inuna namin yung ng tent, pagtayo. Tapos pagod ako kahapon, para akong lumulutang kasi wala akong gaanong tulog kahapon ng gabi. Ganyan ako pag umaalis kami, hindi ako makatulog kasi iniisip ko kung ano yung mga dadalhin, mga ganyan. Lalo na dito sa pag-camping kasi yan. So nandito na sila, lumabas sila David lumabas. Maaga pa, alas 7 pa lang, 7:48. Pero araw, maganda ang sa labas. Yun. Grabe ang aking dahil malamig kami. Maganda ang araw. Yan. Kaya maaga tayong gigising. Tsaka ko, sorry. Nandito pa tayo sa bed. Yan. So, yan. Si David. Nakapajama pa si David. Good morning. Have you seen my lights last night when you go? It's nice. Yep. It'll be nice in the garden as well.
Guided me back home.
Huh?
Guided me back home.
Then we have.
It's a lovely morning.
It is. Fingers crossed every day will be like this until you going for a shower?
No. Just going for a splash.
Where? Oh. At the back. Yan. So, doon na sa labas sila Pepper at Peanut. Puntahan natin. Buksan natin. Nalilito ako dito sa Dito pala. Oops, sorry. Yan. So, ito yung ating sala naman. Morning, babies! Good morning! Ayun yung dalawa. Basa pa yung basa yung Ay, basa pa yung ano. Tamo. Okay, so, ayan na muna at ganyan ang bed namin. Yan, cute, no? Tapos yan, mga gamit. Yan, yan. Tapos, syempre, hindi mawawala yung aking ring light nandyan. Dala-dala ko yan. Tapos yan, mga battery pack. Chances. Okay, sinabit pa for now. Yan. Pambayad sa shower, 20p every... Bayad. 20p every ano?
Bayad fee.
20p every what? Every how long it take?
10 minutes, isn't it? You get
10 minutes. So, ako kasi mahaba ang buhok ko. Kaya dito ko na lang hugasan yung aking buhok. May gripo naman dyan sa likod. So, pwede rin dito na lang ako maligo sa gabi. I can do a quick shower just there at night. With the bucket and the boiled water. Pepper peanut. So yan, lalabas tayo. Teka lang, lalabas tayo. Dito yung ano, kusina. Kusina namin dito. Mainit na. Just sit down. You did not, langaw. Mga sapatos, mga buta kasi akala namin ulan. Labas tayo. Labas tayo. Good morning. Morning, Pipi. Agoy, it's wet. Can they not stay on the a bit nearer? It's wet. So, yan yung ano, tent namin. Then, sakyan doon. Yan. Tapos, kagabi, ang ganda-ganda ng ano, ng sunset. And then, may gripo dyan. Tapos, dito nakakabit yung kuryente namin. Tapos, ito yung view sa umaga. Yan. Nasa tabi kami ng dagat. Binili ito ni David na corner gusto. Ano? Asa pa. Tapos, hindi ko makita gaano kasi yung grass. Ayan, bali yan yung view sa umaga. Yan. So, yan ang campsite. Yan. Yan. Oh, you can put it on a longer, this one, David. You can use this. So, yan si Pepper. Okay. I'll make breakfast. Did he had po?
No.
Hello guys, ayun. Si David nag-ano na. Nag-iinit. Oh, kumukuha ng tubig. Oops. Kumukuha si David. Ng tubig. So, dito yung ating kusina.
Should open the other door.
Yeah. It's a lovely morning. going to buy a flip-flops when we go. For inside the painful. Huh? Just cheap one. Cheap flip-flops. Tulog pa ako guys. Wala akong bag. Yan. Nag-iinit na si David ng tubig. Tapos, yan. Binuksan yung pinto sa kusina namin. Yan. See you na, babe. Bye for now. Hello, Oli guys. Naglalakad na po tayo. Ayan sila David at si Pepper. Maglalakad tayo papunta doon sa beach. So, ito po yung nilalakaran natin. Lagi po kami nilalakad dito every time na nagpa-camping kami. So, then, doon po yung campsite. Nandun yung tent namin. Oops. Is it cold? Is it really cold?
Oh, what do you think I'm making that way? You ever go?
No.
It's so
Oh. Peppa Peanut. Hi guys! Galing na po kami doon sa beach at malamig na oh. Biglang lumamig. You know what I mean? And it's misty. Look, you can't really see. Look at that. Look at that. Just check. It's misty. At yan po may mga tupa na si Peanut ay gustong gusto niyang habulin. Ayan. Ayan baby. Baby na tupa. Maraming tupa dito. It's a tupa field.
like each sheep's got 2 lambs.
Yeah. There you go. Oh. This one have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, this one is 2. Yeah, 2 each.
That's a really good way of standing it all this way.
Tae. Payan yung tae na apakan ko. That was.
So if you start with 50 sheep,
Ika,
in a year you've got 150 sheep.
yeah. Look at that. So, pabalik na po tayo doon sa tent. Kasi it's high tide. Tapos, nagtago yung araw. Baka mamaya, lumabas uli. Mabalik na lang kami dito pag low tide na. It's very misty. And you can't see the tent anymore from here. Beautiful buttercups. So here is the campsite. Is this the campsite that we are? You can't see now the tent from here. It's misty. Hello, mag-ano kami, bibili kami ng chicken. It's foggy day. Foggy.
TripAdvisor must be a bit out of date.
There's a car. Pretty house. The Pigeon House Caravan. Pigeon House.
Was the fish and chip shop closed on Sunday?
I don't know. Can't remember what you said last night. I was gone.
Can't remember if it's closed on Monday.
You said it's
Sunday and Monday, or Monday and Sunday.
You said it was open from Monday to
Till
Friday.
8 o'clock. Let's go and have a look.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo naglalakad. Hapon ngayon pero maganda ang araw. Nandito tayo sa Anglesey. Naglalakad kami dito sa may mga bato malapit sa dagat. Ayan. Yan yung aming tent. Doon lang banda. So, naglalakad muna kami bago pumunta si David doon. Bibili siya ng fish and chips para sa aming hapunan. Yan. Alas 6 kasi magbubukas. So, nag-decide kami, maglalakad muna kami bago siya pumunta doon. Yan. So, kanina, wala lang. Naghiga lang kami. Naglakad kaninang umaga sa kabilang side. Yan. Yan. Look at this. Very nice. Look at this. Who's here? Someone's arrived. Someone has arrived. Who is here? Who's that, Pepper? Is that David? Is that David? Look at Peanut. Who's that, Peanut? Peanut. Is that David? Whoa, David is here. Where's David, Peanut? Where is David? Oh. Who is it? Fish and chips. Hello Oli guys, andito na po si David, dumating galing kumuha ng bumili ng fish and chips. So there we are, we're having fish and chips. fish. Oh wow. So, this one, what's that? It's a lot of paper. Don't throw away the paper. We can use that to light the fire. Look at this. Fish and chips. There you go.
He's out of the water again, look.
Oh wow. Wow, it's flying. So yan guys, tapos na po kami naglakad. Aming evening walk. Pagkatapos namin nag-hapunan. Yan. Ha?